Iron meteorites are fascinating extraterrestrial metals composed mainly of iron and nickel. If you believe you found an iron meteorite, you can perform several simple home tests to verify whether the stone might be real. While these methods do not replace laboratory analysis, they can strongly indicate authenticity. Below are 6 effective home methods to check an iron meteorite. Number 1. Magnet test. Iron meteorites are highly magnetic because they contain a high percentage of iron and nickel. How to test? Bring a strong magnet close to the stone. An authentic iron meteorite will show strong attraction. Note, many terrestrial rocks can also be magnetic. This is only a first indicator. 2. Density heft. Test iron meteorites feel heavier than normal rocks of the same size. How to test? Compare the weight with a similar size stone. An iron meteorite will feel significantly denser and heavier in hand. Number 3. Nickel test, dimethylglyoxime test. Real iron meteorites contain nickel, usually 5 to 20%. How to test at home? Purchase a nickel testing kit. Rub a small area of the stone and apply the reagent. If the stone contains nickel, the test will show a pink or red color. Number 4. Streak test. Most meteorites do not produce a colored streak, unlike many earth minerals. How to test? Rub the stone on unglazed ceramic tile. Iron meteorites generally leave no streak or a grey metallic streak. If the stone leaves a strong color, red, brown, yellow, it is likely terrestrial. Number 5. Visual metal pattern, Widmanstätten pattern. When polished and lightly etched, iron meteorites reveal unique crystalline structures called Widmanstätten patterns. How to test? Polish a small part of the stone with sandpaper. Apply a tiny drop of mild acid, e.g. lemon juice or vinegar. Look for cross-hatched metallic lines, a strong sign of an iron meteorite. Number 6. Fusion crust and regmaglyphs examination. Fresh meteorites have features unique to atmospheric entry, fusion crust, a thin, dark, glassy outer layer formed by melting during entry. Regmaglyphs, thumbprint-like depressions on the surface. How to test? Check if the stone has a smooth, dark crust, not paint. Look for natural indentation marks. These features are hard to fake and strongly indicate a meteoritic origin. Conclusion. Testing an iron meteorite at home is possible through magnetic response, density, nickel detection, streak testing, examining unique metallic patterns, and observing surface features. While these steps give strong clues, a professional laboratory analysis, XRF, microscopy, isotopic studies is required for 100% confirmation.